Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best 3D printers under $600. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and easily handle most of your printing needs. The output of each 3D printer is impressive, and the quality of the prints is worth every penny. And with that in mind, we have put together the top 5 3D printers under $600 for you to consider. We all know that a 3D printer can revolutionize how we create and design. To help you, we've reviewed and compared the top 5 3D printers under $600 to ensure you get the best bang for your buck. These unique printers are especially for users who want the best 3D printing experience without breaking their budget. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the GEEETECH Thunder 3D printer. The GEEETECH Thunder 3D printer is an optimistic and dynamic choice for enthusiasts seeking a top-performing 3D printer under $600. With lightning-fast speeds of up to 300 mm per second and mind-boggling acceleration rates of 5000 mm/s superscript 2 for the x-axis and 4000 mm/s superscript 2 for the y-axis, Thunder delivers unparalleled efficiency, slashing printing time by 30% to 70% while maintaining exceptional print quality. Equipped with a revolutionary X/Y closed-loop drive system, Thunder harnesses the power of enormous torque and lightning-quick stepper motor response, ensuring impeccable stability even during high-speed printing escapades. The all-metal construction with specialized damping structures and independent photoelectric limit sensors further solidifies Thunder's reliability and precision. Efficient heat dissipation is a breeze for Thunder. For powerful fans, including 2 high-volume heat dissipation fans and 2 more giant auxiliary part cooling fans, work harmoniously to keep the temperature in check. Thunder's powerful extrusion system conquers any challenge, boasting a larger volume nozzle, a 70W high heating module, and a dual-drive gear extruder. Say goodbye to clogs and filament shortages, as Thunder guarantees smooth and uninterrupted printing, no matter the speed. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.